Hi, we're at Jinya in one of our hotels rooms. And here's outside. Here's the door you walk in, and here's our key. Up the stairs. Here's our window view from our bedroom. Like and subscribe if you can for more content like this. And this is once in a lifetime. Might as well do it once in a lifetime since it's so expensive. If you can and you need inspiration, come here. Oh my gosh. And then right over there, if you could see our stairwells to a shrine. Maybe we'll take a look at that after. But yeah, it is crazy here. This is how we get in. Key. Shoes off. And yes, there are bugs here. And these are the paper windows to our refrigerator if you need. Comes with complimentary beverages, a beer, Sapporo, and some treats. Some cups for water, you can see. Sorry about that. No lighting in here at all. As you can see, lampshades are crazy. So nicely built. There's a restroom. Lights. Bathroom. Easy toilet. Let's take a look at the room. Opening the door. Closing the door. And voila, here's our bedroom. Plus living room. Here's the lamp. Here's outside. Here's the beds. Comes with a little kid's bed if you have a kid. You get to sleep on the tatami mats. Or tatami mats with the bed. Those are tatami mats, my bad. There's the outside view. That is crazy. You guys should come if you guys can. If you guys can afford it, just save up for 2 years. And it is beautiful. Look at that. This is our view. And the chirpings never stop. And if you like, yeah, head on over. If you need inspiration, yeah, go for it. This is where Hayao Miyazaki came here to get inspiration for Spirited Away. And it is gorgeous. So yeah, let me show you the onsen. After this, your own private onsen. There's my suitcases over there. Here is your makeup room. So let me show you the onsen. And to the onsen. So right after the face cleaning section is the onsen. Here's your own private onsen. Wash up over here. And then your own private onsen. It is beautiful. Look at that. You get to see out your window. And this is the view. So yeah, here it is. Let's walk it. Yeah, it took us 2 hours train ride from Tokyo to get here. It was crazy. So would you guys ever come here? What do you guys think? Have you guys been to anything else like this? It is wow. So yeah. See you guys.